First of all, I'd like to congratulate the Honorable Chief Minister and the Finance Minister, who is presenting the 17th historical budget. It's some sort of a record in India, and it's a very well balanced, covering all departments, all sections of the society. He has also taken care of the social justice, and he has also taken care of the development, including the five guarantees which we have promised earlier, and this has been continued. He has focused on infrastructure development in Bangalore city, and almost all the two-tier cities also he has distributed all the programs. It's a well-balanced developmental social justice budget. No, here he is very well, not only balanced, but he has also prioritized the department. What is the priority at the moment? Social justice is one of the priority, and the development, infrastructure development is one of the priority. You see, if you look at the Bangalore's development, he has taken, that northeast, south, west corridors, which are underground. Earlier, we had thought of going overground, but this time he has proposed it, underground, which is it's a wonderful idea. This year alone, 17,800 crores have been earmarked, which is a good thing, and more, peripheral roads and things like that. So he has focused on development in Bangalore city.